Hi everyone, my name is Fortran. Since me and my dad are doing programming, my dad told me that before getting into it, you have to know about metrics first. And as I was studying metrics, I want to share it with you guys. Metrics is an arrangement of a number, of a symbol, or anything. It's an array. Okay, so metrics, it's not only using in math or physics, but it also used in lots of things, also in your daily life, especially about the computers. Now, metrics is not that hard as you think. Like, if I had this one, and I said I want to add them, it's simply adding like 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus negative 4 is equal to negative 1. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and negative 1 plus 0 is negative 1. It's simple as that. But what I want to show you now is that how to multiply metrics. Okay, let's get into it. First, multiplying metrics with the constants. If I say I have A, multiply with this matrix, I got 2, 4, 3, 1, 6, 5. This means I have 2 rows and 3 columns, right? Okay, so what this means here is that my answer will be 2A, 4A. I just time this easily like this and put it in the same place. 3A, also the same thing here. A times 1 times 6 times 5, which will bring me 1A, 6A, and 5A. Let's say my A is 3. So what I have here now is that I have to time 3 to each of the number. So it will give me 3 times 2, 6, 12, 9, 3, 18, and 15. So it's easily doing it like it. Okay, now let's try, let's ask ourselves that how can we multiply matrices? When can we multiply it, and how do you know if you can't? Okay. So first, you got matrix A and matrix B. If your matrix A, okay, my first one stands for my row, and my second number stands for my columns. When I got 2 rows and 3 columns, and my B got 3 rows and 4 columns, what I see here is that my columns in A and my row in B is equal. This means you can multiply it. And the result of C will be 2 rows and 4 columns, which came from here. Okay, let's look at here. D times E, when in D they got 3 in row and 2 in columns, and what I see here is that my 2 and my 4 here are not equal. So this means you can't solve it, or you can't multiply it in matrix way. But look here, I got G and H. What I see here is that my G got 9 for the columns and H got 9 for the row. What I see here is that, yeah, you can multiply it, and the result will be 6 for the columns and 1 for the row. 6 for the row and 1 for the columns. Alright, now let's get to the part. How do matrices get multiplied? Okay, let's solve the first one first here. Okay. It's not that easy as adding them together. What I want to show you is that when I do it like this. 1, 3, 2. First I copy all of it. I got my blank matrix here, which will be my answer. And another one that I want to multiply here. Okay. Now, the tricky part is here. I will draw a line like this. What I will do is that I will look it as a row. This is my first row, second row, third row, and fourth row. What I will do here is that I will keep my 1 times 2, which I will get 2. 3 times 3, which I get 9. And then I add them together. I got 11. I write it here, sorry. And for the next one, I got negative 4 times 1, negative 4, plus with 3 times 0, anything times 0 got 0, so I got negative 4 here. Right here, I'll do the same thing, but just in these columns. So I get -4 times 2, -8. Anything times 0 gets, oh, sorry. I have to do this row first. So, sorry. So 2 times 2, you got 4. And 3 times -1, -3. So I add them, I got 1. And the last one is that I got 2 times -4, which is -8. And anything times with 0 is 0. Plus them, I got -8. So this is my final answer. Alright, easy enough, right? Let's try another one. Okay. Let's have a look here. What I want to do first is I want to check, because it's not like sole identity like that. So what I see here is that I got 2 columns, oh sorry, 2 rows and 3 columns. And I got 3 rows and 2 columns. My columns here and my row here are equal. So I can multiply that. Okay, I'll do the same thing as before. Putting my 1, 6, 3, 4, 2, 9 and my 4, 6, 2, 8, 1, 5. Okay. Draw the same line as we did. Okay. So it's not as easy as this one. What you have to do here is that you have to times 4 with 1, where you get 4, and plus with 6 times 6, which is 36. 3 times 2, which is 6. And what you will get here is that you will get 46. So write it down here. And same thing here is that you got 8 plus with 6 plus with 15. And it will give you 29. Here is that 4 times 4 is 16 plus 12 plus 18. And what it gives you is 46. And our last column is that x times 4, 32. 1 times 2, oh, I forgot to write. 8 times 4, 32 plus 1 times 2, 2, and plus 9 times 5, 45. So that will give me 79. Okay, got my answer here. And what I want to show you another little part is that, okay, just a little point here. If we switch place, it will end up as you're getting 3 for the columns and 2 for the row. And this you get 2 for the columns, 2 for the row, and 3 for the columns. What I see here is that my columns and my row are equal. So my result will be 3 times 3. Okay, we do the same thing as we did before, is that you get 4 times with 1 plus with 8 times with 4. And same thing all the way through. Each number, each number, each number, each number, each number, each number, until you get 9 of them. So that's it for the result. Thank you for watching. Bye!